Hello, my name is John Walsh and today I'm going to be doing polygons. So, what are polygons? Polygon is any two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons are all examples of polygons. The name tells you how many sides the shape has. For example, a triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, followed by a quadrilateral, which is a square or a rectangle, has 4 sides. All these sides are equal. So any shape that can be drawn by connecting 3 straight lines is known as a triangle, and any shape that can be drawn connecting 4 lines is known as a quadrilateral. So, moving on. All of these shapes are polygons. Notice that all the shapes are drawn have straight lines. So as you can see here, with a triangle here, all the lines are all equal. So this here, that line is equal to that line followed by that line. Same with this, that is equal to that, equal to that. This is an irregular pentagon and this is also a regular pentagon. The reason why these are polygons is because all the lines are connecting, leaving no spaces. As you can see, they all connect, leaving no empty gaps. If the shape had curves, it wouldn't be, and was fully connected, it would not be known as a polygon because it's curves. So if we draw a circle here, for example, that is not a polygon due to the fact that it's round and its is no straight lines. Same if we were to draw a semicircle. Fair enough, this line here is straight, but this curve is a curve. So the shape above, so looking at this shape here with rectangle with an arrow, this is also known as a pentagon. Seeing that even though there is an arrow here, it's always going to be a polygon because all the lines they're all straight and they all connect up together. So all shapes that are straight and they are all connected. So moving on, if I mention a few polygons, I'm going to mention a few shapes now. So moving on here. So I have a list of all shapes here, and I have a list of all the number of sides they have here. So, take for example, so a square has 3 sides, all connected, that's a polygon. A triangle has three sides. A square has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides. These two are known as quadrilaterals. Pentagon has 5 sides, a hexagon has 6 sides, a heptagon has 7 sides, an octagon has 8 sides, a nonagon has 9 sides, a decagon has 10 sides, and n-gon has n sides. So looking at the n-gon and n sides, the last entry includes the general term for a polygon with a number of sides, with n number of sides. So polygons that aren't to be common ones, we know that but we can get pretty complex and have many sides as if we needed. So they have 4 sides. So a polygon can have 4 sides. It can have 44 sides, or it can have 444 sides. Doesn't really matter, as long as all the sides connect all up together, and as long as they are straight, it doesn't really matter. It's always going to be a polygon. So take for example here, if I was to draw 11 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I just draw this wonky shape here like this, it's going to be called 11 sides, and it's going to be called 11 gone. So, moving on to regular polygons. So, what are regular polygons? Regular polygons are polygons whose sides are all the same length and whose angles are all the same length. So, taking for example, if we were to draw out a hexagon. So, draw out this here, just kind of a rough version kind of. So, as you can see, in the sides are all the same and all the angles same. So all the sides are the same here. All the sides are the same. They're all equal. And all the angles are the same too. So if I was to take all these angles, they're all going to be the same. This means that a regular pentagon with equal sides is known as an equilateral, and a regular polygon with equal angles is seen to be equal angular. So if I was to pick out this, so side with equal angles is known as equal angular. And a polygon with equal sides is known to be equilateral. So these, I'm just going to show you, these are other regular polygons. So we have a triangle, we have squares, we have a pentagon, etc. So you can just see that angles are the same here, lengths are the same, angles are the same, lengths are the same. They're all 90 degrees for a square. You see that those angles, they're all the same, and you can see that their lengths are all the same. So, moving on to irregular polygons. So, irregular polygons. So these are polygons whose sides and angles aren't equal. So basically, it's just the opposite to regular polygons. So, if I was to draw out these shapes, you can obviously see that their angles and their sides are not equal. So if I was to come up here with my ruler for this shape, this is about 55 in length, 55 millimeters. And if I was to come down here, that's only about 43. If I was to come here, it's only about 15. See, you can see that they're not all the sides are not, they're not all coming up together. So examples of real life polygons are buildings. Buildings, you see that they're a square, and you can also see a USB, for example, is a real life artifact of a polygon, of a regular polygon. As you can see here, that its sides are all straight, leaving no gaps. So, thank you for watching.